In today's digital world, having the right skills is no longer optional, it is essential. At Savoir Digital Academy, we are committed to empowering individuals with practical digital skills that prepare them for real world opportunities. We provide hands-on practice, hands-on training in areas such as web development, data analysis, and essential computer applications, which is designed for beginners, students, and professionals. Our approach is simple. We don't just teach theory, we focus on real skills, real project, and clear understandings. Through both physical and online programs, we make learning essential, flexible, and impactful so anyone, anywhere can grow. At Savoir Digital Academy, our goal is not just to teach, but to build confidence, create opportunities, and develop future tech leaders. At Savoir Digital Academy, empowering minds through digital knowledge is our priority. Thank you.